morning, students. Let us start Unit 2 poem Birds Talk. It is from Marigold Class 3. This video has new words and question answers and other exercise given in this poem. So let us first do new words of the chapter. New words are: the first word is beetle, Beetle. Beetle means insects. Small insects you have seen. The sentence: the birds eat beetles. The birds eat beetles. Next word is sit, SIT, sit. You can see this picture. Birds. The birds is sitting on the branch. The bird is sitting on the branch. Next word is wire. Next word is wire. WIRE, wire. The birds are sitting on the wire. The birds are sitting on the wire. Next word is funny, FUNNY, funny. So you can see this. The birds talk is so funny. The birds talk is so funny. Let us move towards next section. In the section we have question answers and some grammar exercise. So let us first move towards reading is fun. In the reading is fun section, we have some questions from the poem and we have to answer them from the poem only. So the first question is: name the two birds in the poem. The two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. The two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. In very first two lines of the poem, you will find these names. So first question was: name the two birds in the poem. The two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. Let us move towards second question. What are the three things that people can't do? You have to list the thing which birds are doing but people can't do. So what is the first thing people can't do but birds are doing? So answer is the three things people can't do like birds are. You can tell something what birds are doing but we cannot do. Okay, there are many things birds can do but we cannot do. Yes, there are many other things which we can do but birds can't do. So here we have to write three things which birds can do but we cannot do. Okay. So the first thing is eating beetles. Bird can eat beetles but people can't eat. Second, growing wings. Birds can grow their wings. People don't have their wings, so they cannot grow. Third thing, sitting on wire. You have seen in the new words, birds can sit on the wire, but we cannot sit on the wire. Okay, so let us move towards third question. The third question: what do birds think of people? Have you ever thought what birds are thinking about us? In this poem, you can understand what the birds are thinking about us. What they are thinking? The answer is the birds think that people are very funny. We are very funny. Why we are very funny? because we cannot sit on wire, we cannot eat beetles like birds, we cannot fly. So we are very funny what birds think about us. Okay. So the question was, what do birds think of people? The birds think that people are very funny. Okay, let us move next. Talking time. Let us talk. In the poem, you have seen the talk between two birds. Now we have talk between two elephants. Imagine what two elephants would say to each other about people. If two elephants will meet and see us, what will they say? How will they talk? They will talk in what people look like, what they eat, how they walk. Okay, so you can say, look at the man's nose, how small it is. Look at the man's nose, how small it is. You see, the nose of elephant is very big, so they will think man's nose is very small. Okay, so in this way you can talk. Look at the man's food, see how less it is. Elephants eat more food, more grass, but people eat less. So if they will see our food, what will they say? Look at the man's food, how small, how less it is. Look at the man's feet, how thin it is. You have seen the feet of elephants, it is heavy, and our feet is small, thin. So they can say like this, look at the man's feet, see how thin it is. Look at the man's home, see how small it is. Look at the man's home, how small it is. Because in many houses, even elephant cannot enter. So our houses are very small for their stay. So in this way, you can tell many sentences, है ना? So that you can understand this properly. Okay. So write few sentences. Let us move ahead. Homework. Now it's time to homework. Let's find two things which you can do and birds cannot do. Tell the class. Okay. So just now we have read three things which we cannot do, like we cannot eat beetles, we cannot fly, we cannot grow our wings, we cannot sit on wire, but birds can do. Now we have to tell something which we can do, you can do, but birds can't do. Okay. So you go on your roof and see several birds are there and see what they are doing. And now tell what you can do, they cannot do. You can write, birds cannot write. One thing. Second thing, you can read, birds cannot read. Okay. So these are example. You write many things, five things. Okay. You write five things what you can do, but birds cannot do. Okay. So next homework is an activity, puppet making, finger puppet making. So in this, what you have to do, you have to make two birds, like one and two birds. Then color the birds. This is blue and another can be red, green, any other bird. Okay. Then cut a paper or cloth strip like this. Okay. Paste this bird on this like this and another bird on another strip. Okay. So now you have two birds and two strips. Okay. Now what you have to do? Tie the end of the strip. You have to tie the end of the strip so that you can put the bird in your finger and another bird in another finger. Now there are two birds, one in this finger and one in this finger. You can put in one finger, you can put in two fingers. Okay. Now your finger puppet is ready to talk. Okay. To fly. Okay. So now read the poem by wearing these two puppet birds in your finger. Okay. So let us move ahead. Let's write. So when you will go to the roof and see the birds, observe the birds, you see how they are making sounds. Chirp, 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 coo, coo, chee, chee, chee. These kind of sounds many birds are making. So listen various sound and write the sounds in the your notebook. Okay. Next. Now write four sentences on birds using following words. These words you have to use: nest, water, chirp, fly, sky, wings. So we have to make four sentences by using these words. So let us start. The birds live in the nest. Birds live in the nest. The birds drink the water. The birds fly with its wings. The birds fly in the sky. So these are four sentences. You can make few more sentences if you like to do. So the four sentences are: the bird live in the nest. The birds drink the water. The birds fly with its wings. The birds fly in the sky. So let us move ahead. Once you read these sentences, now write words the rhyme with words given below. The first one has been done for you. So in previous classes you have learned rhyming words are the words which has matching sounds. Sounds match with each other. So grow, no, throw. So you have seen the end sound: grow, no, throw. They have similar sounds. So these words are called as rhyming words. So poems are basically made with rhyming words in your classes. So let us see more. Now we have to do this exercise. Day, bay, lay. Day, bay, lay. Think, blink. Blink means our eyes blinking. So think, blink, drink. Think, blink, drink. Funny, honey, money. Eat, seat, beat. Sing, king, bring. Sing, king, bring. Say aloud with me. Think, think, think this. Thin, that. Ten, top. Think, thin, this, that, ten, top. So this is end of this video. In next video, we will learn about next chapter. Till then, bye bye. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.